In this video, we'll explain how you can ensure your sales commissions are compliant with accounting standards such as ASC 606.
Let's say that you sell appliance repair services. Some subscriptions will be for 1 year, some for 2 years, etc. Your reps may receive commissions on individual sales or on a set of sales. ASC 606 requires you to amortize the cost of commissions over each contract's duration. For example, if you paid $1,200 in commissions on a 2-year subscription, you should amortize its cost over a 2-year period. To ensure compliance, we must examine each commission, find corresponding contract durations, and generate an amortization schedule.
To generate an amortization schedule, first make sure that your sales data tracks contract durations. Next, go to Reports and then Get Report. Select this option. Click here to start. On this page, we can filter commission payouts by period and by incentive plan. If you have daily transactions, you can group them to reduce the number of amortization journal entries.
Next, on this page, you can specify which fields track contract durations. In this example, we have a single field in our data which tracks the contract duration in months. You can also specify a placeholder value if no contract duration is available in your data.
Finally, choose how to amortize. For deals whose duration is under 1 year, you have the option to expense the cost of commissions immediately. However, make sure this policy is used consistently across your organization. All you have to do now is click Next, and we'll generate an amortization schedule. We can see the distribution of contract durations. We can easily download detailed or summary journal entries for accounting.
In this video, we explained how you can become compliant with ASC 606. First, make sure your data tracks contract durations. Second, run an amortization report. Third, export journal entries for accounting. Visit support.salescookie.com for assistance